Here's February 16th of 2026. It's 2:50 p.m. I wanted to show you guys the Seastown Dam, Pikes Creek from 29. There's the dam. Zoom me out. I don't know if this is going to be the end of winter or what's going on here, but we will see in the next few days. Let's see. This camera's pretty cool. You can zoom all the way out. I don't have my Ace Pro today, but just doing a short one. See you later. Bye for now.